This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash in DayZ. Creating a hidden stash is crucial for safeguarding your hard-earned loot from opportunistic survivors. We'll cover selecting the perfect spot, gathering the necessary materials, and effectively concealing your valuable items. This guide will help you maintain your progress and reduce the risk of losing everything in a sudden encounter. Let's dive into the essential steps for securing your gear. There are several effective ways to create a stash. Buried stashes are excellent for small, quick storage, requiring a shovel and a waterproof container like a dry bag or a protector case. For larger storage needs, consider crafting a wooden crate, which offers 50 slots, or finding a sea chest, providing a generous 100 slots. Each option provides different levels of security and capacity for your valuable items. Choosing the right location is paramount for a secure stash. Aim for remote, rarely visited areas, such as deep within dense forests, hidden among rocky terrain, or along secluded riverbeds. Avoid obvious spots like roadsides, town outskirts, or military bases, as these are frequently patrolled by other players. A well-hidden stash significantly increases the chances of your items remaining undisturbed for extended periods. Effective concealment is key to a long-lasting stash. If burying, ensure the container is completely covered, leaving no visible trace. For surface stashes, use natural elements like fallen logs, dense bushes, or large rocks to blend them into the environment. Remember to visit your stashes at least once every 45 days to reset their despawn timer, ensuring your valuable gear remains safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.